Do you want to start an online print on demand business and looking for some reliable information but didn't get anything? So don't worry. In today's digital world, there is a lot of misinformation spreading across the internet that cost us so much of our time and resources without getting any value in return. Well, if you are a beginner entrepreneur and you want to start your POD store up and running hassle free without taking much risk of buying products upfront and keeping any inventory, then Kwikcart has brought together risk-free, viable POD solutions only for you. With Kwikcart, you can start your print-on-demand business where you don't have to keep the product stock. Instead, when an order comes, you need to place the order with the order fulfillment partner who can take care of the packaging, printing, and shipping of the item. You don't need to take care of warehouse, product stock, delivery, printing, and packaging. You just need to sell the item and bag the profits without any hassle. That's why in today's video, we are going to cover how you can start your online print-on-demand store using Kwikcart. Now let's come into our topic. Here's what you'll need to build an online POD store using Kwikcart. Some time to research on your product and set up a POD store, your unique designs printed on various products to sell, and a trial account of Kwikcart. Here is a step-by-step guide that you can follow while building your landing pages. Step number 1. Find a trending niche and a winning product. Simply head over to Facebook ads and find an ad that you like and get inspiration from. Also, you can find the most profitable POD store on Redbubble, Amazon, or any POD store. Shortlist 5 to 10 products and design you want to get started with. Step number 2. Get a logo and t-shirt design from canva.com. Open canva.com on your browser and create a logo from a template. Step number 3. Sign up for a Kwikcart trial account. Once done, head over to Kwikcart and sign up for a trial account. Step number 4. Set up a POD store or funnels using template. Log on to Kwikcart and set up a POD store using thousands of pre-built templates. With just few clicks, you can import funnels. Just add your product, copies and images in the funnels and you're ready to go. Step number 5. Link the domain and integrate payment gateways. Simply go to the dashboard, link the domain, add domains. Once done, head over to integrations and choose the payment gateways of your choice. You can also integrate your favorite payment gateways with the store from payment integration section. And with Kwikcart, we have partnered with 20 plus payment gateways across the globe. Step number 6. Integrate Printful app and upload your designs. Connect a Printful account with Kwikcart and upload your t-shirts design. Printful helps you to import your chosen product from their inventory directly to your store with just few clicks. Step number 7. Promote your product and bring sales. Once your setup is ready, you can start promoting it, send traffic to various mediums like Instagram and Facebook. Step number 8. Fulfill order automatically. Printful also takes care of the product printing and fulfillment part automatically and keeps you stress-free. Now you're ready to launch your POD store. Here in this quick video, we have tried to explain you how you can set up your own print-on-demand store using Kwikcart. Just by making few clicks, you can set up your own print-on-demand store. Well, if you want to check out Kwikcart, then click on kwikcart.io. Also, here's a quick recap of all the points that we've covered in this video. Number 1. What is print-on-demand business model? Number 2. Prerequisites of creating a print-on-demand business. Number 3. Step-by-step guide to start creating print-on-demand business. Well, this brings us to the end of our video. We hope that this video has given you a fail-proof plan. Well, tell us in the comment box if you have any views regarding this video, and tell us in the comment box that which topic you want to see in our next video. Well, if you have liked this video, then do hit the like button, and for more videos and more updates for much similar content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.